Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by ensuring Git and GitHub access are ready. Set your global user, name and user, email so commits track properly. Then create a dedicated notes repository and initialize a README so the repo is discoverable. Once created, add an initial notes MD file in a logical folder like /notes/yi or /topics and make your first commit with a clear message. Commit often. Small commits make history easier to understand and revert if needed. Now you focus on structure and safe edits. Design a consistent folder and file name convention, for example topic/date note. MD so you can find items quickly. When you plan a large refactor or experiment, create a branch. This preserves your main timeline while letting you iterate. Make granular commits with messages that describe the why, not just the what. Once done, open a pull request to review changes, then merge to main when confident. This keeps your notes clean and auditable. Finish by keeping everything synchronized. Always git pull before editing to avoid needless conflicts, and push frequently so your notes are backed up to GitHub. When a conflict appears, inspect both versions, choose the correct lines, and commit the resolved file. This preserves intent. Export or tag major snapshots for quick rollback. If syncing fails, check remote URL and credentials, run git fetch, and inspect git status. That usually reveals the simple fix you need.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.